On this episode, we'll be preparing a Mediterranean chicken wrap with Israeli couscous salad, featuring ROLAND tricolor couscous, President Feta, and a Fajita-style grilled chicken strip from our exclusive brand Crestview Poultry. Let's get started.
And a little bit of our lemon vinaigrette. Toss this all together. Flour tortilla, hummus, some of our couscous salad, grilled fajita chicken strips, right on top, romaine lettuce, a little bit more of our lemon vinaigrette, right on top. Fold the ends. Wrap it up tight.
There you have it, folks. Mediterranean chicken wrap with Israeli couscous salad. Thanks for cooking with Food Pro.